Hi, welcome back to my channel. I've got a organic chicken in here. Gonna start my chicken bone broth treats here in a couple days. Let this cook for 36 hours. I'm gonna add some celery and some carrots. And then for my apple blueberry, I've been drying these for 4 days now. It's had fresh apples, and I put them on the peeler and cut them up. And this is what I use. It's all natural, all organic ingredients. I don't buy bagged chips, apple chips that may have any kind of chemicals or anything. It's all natural. See if they're, looks like they're about done. Then I'll put these in a bag, and I'll use the roller here. I'll make little tiny pieces so that they can go in the apple blueberry treats. I put my apples, my dried apples, in a bag, and now I'm just going to roll them up here into smaller pieces so that they can go in the batch for the apple blueberry gluten-free dog treats. A lot of people tell me that I should skip some steps to save time. I would rather not skip the steps because I want these treats to be all natural, gluten-free. I don't want to buy already dried apples. I feel that they can have chemicals in them, some ingredients that I don't want in there. I want everything as natural as can be for the dog treats. So it does take me a little longer to make them, but it's well worth it. All right, till next time, thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.